Hi guys, hey. Ajay sir and Tabu ma'am, I just want to ask एक इधर आपके सामने इधर. Hi. सबसे पहली बात एजिंग जो होती है सिनेमा में वो जो आप लोगों ने बदला है लाइक समय दर समय जो एजिंग था सिनेमा का वो बदला लेकिन जो आज हमने स्क्रीन पे देखा वो कमाल करा है क्योंकि आपने इतने साल लाइक सिनेमा को बदलते हुए देखा है लाइक ये जो कहते हैं ना कि एक समय के बाद लव स्टोरी जो शुरू होती है क्योंकि आप जब दे दे प्यार दे भी हमने देखी थी उसमें भी लाइक एक उम्र के बाद प्यार हो रहा है वो चीज़ दिखाई गई थी आपको कितना लगता है कि कैसे जनरेशन बदल रही है आजकल की जनरेशन चाहती है उनके माँ बाप भी खुलेआम प्यार करें राइट सो डू यू ऑलवेज हैव दिस इन माइंड कि हम क्या सर्व कर रहे हैं बिकॉज ये हमेशा टच करता है और आज जो हमने देखा मुझे लग रहा था 5 बार और ट्रेलर चलाते तो हम उस सीन को घूर सकते थे बैठकर मुझे ये जानना कि जब ये एजिंग ऑफ लव है ये आप दोनों के लिए कैसा है ऑन सिनेमा क्योंकि सिनेमा बदला है पहले एज लव सिर्फ होता था लड़का लड़की जो उस उम्र के हैं लेकिन आज की डेट में कहते हैं ना मैच्योर लव स्टोरी
आई
बहुत
थिंक उम्र
इंपॉर्टेंट
बढ़ने के साथ जो फीलिंग्स है वो और चाहे किसी भी किस्म की फीलिंग्स हो वो और गहराई में जाती हैं यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग डीपर यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग डीपर नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव विच एवर वे तो आप काफ़ी चीज़ें एनालाइज करते हो जो आप एक उम्र तक नहीं करते हो एक उम्र तक वो एक बचपना होता है जो जब चला जाता है तो जो एक्चुअल फीलिंग्स है वो आपको नज़र आनी शुरू होती हैं या समझनी शुरू होती हैं.
आई थिंक सिनेमा का जहाँ तक सवाल है ये बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन आई थिंक फिल्म मेकर्स का भी रहा है इस फिल्म में आई शुड गिव द क्रेडिट टू नीरज फॉर एनविजनिंग दिस लव स्टोरी विद मी एंड अजय और आई थिंक हमारी लाइक यू सेड सोसाइटी बदलती है तो हमारा सिनेमा बदलता है हमारा एंटरटेनमेंट बदलता है so I think it's nice. So yeah, society changes almost everything around you. Aging in cinema, I don't know if. So beautiful on you, I guess. Thank you. Also because it's him now. But yeah, like he said, there is no age. I think आजकल वो सब labels चले गए हैं ना कि romance is only for the young. Like he said, the depth of feelings and the way you look at love and romance changes with age. And I think there is space for all of that. आज सिनेमा में हर चीज़ के लिए जगह है. But of course ये सारी चीज़ें coincide होंगी तो ही ऐसी फिल्में बनती हैं. Script writers, directors, actors, विजन डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स और फिर ऑडियंस का टेस्ट.
Hello. Hi. I'm Jigyasa from India.com. See, sir, my question is to Jimmy, sir. So, like we talked about how you are a special part of love stories. So, and how love is complicated. So, sir, according to you, love में जब इतनी complications होती है, there's fate, there's destiny. So, जो एक लड़ाई होती है ना, लोग कहते हैं कि अपने प्यार के लिए लड़ना चाहिए. So, how would you justify? Till what extent is it justified?
मैंने पहले वाले में बहुत अवॉइड की थी वो आपने घेर ही लिया है लेकिन मैं फिर भी बताने वाला नहीं हूँ कि लड़की है कि भाग गई है कि क्या है तो बस इतना ही है.
Okay. And ma'am, Tabu ma'am, I just wanted to know from you. So, like we talked about aging of love and how meanings are changing with time. So, if you have to summarize it in like few words, how would you summarize love in 2024?
My God.
But it's the same as in 1824 or 1724 or 1624. The feelings have always been the same. It's just that how much more you express and how much you can and you can't. So the feelings don't change. I think the whole process since humanity has been the same. The feelings have always been the same.
Thank you.
Tabu, Justin here from Indian Express to your left here. I think you kind of, here, to your left here. Yeah. I think you did kind of answer, but I just wanted to know how empowering is it to sort of play a romantic lead at this stage of your career? Because it kind of also defies very conventional casting stereotype, where women can't romance on like on screen once they cross a certain age. And I think this is on screen very empowering. But what does it mean for you to be a romantic star today?
I want to first of all thank Neeraj for this. It I don't know. It feels great, of course, but if we see it as, if we underline it that romance only belongs to the young or to a certain age group, then it changes. The whole definition changes, and the way you look at it changes. Whereas, like I said, I don't think there is any barrier when you talk about romance and love and relationships. Actually, it's more relationship than love and romance, I feel. And human relationships are the most interesting thing that have lent themselves for cinema. And and love and attraction is a part of that human relationship. I think that's the most beautiful thing to explore, I think, for a filmmaker also, because there is no end to, where you can take that relationship. So, yeah.
Also, Neeraj, a quick follow-up. I think you said you wanted to make a romantic film when you first came, like 16 years ago. But even today, the trend seems to be very anti-romance on screen. It's at least box office-wise, it's the time of big actioners doing big money. Is this also a risk? Were there people who told you that, why are you making a romantic film in 2024? Because the trend suggests otherwise.
Yeah, there are always these doubting Thomases in your lives, right? So you do what you want to do, simply ignore that sort of advice and go on with your conviction. Since everybody is doing action, maybe it was more imperative that I do a love story then.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
Cream, Mr. Cream, sir. Here. Yeah, here. Sir, all your romantic songs over the years, for the last 20 years, whichever songs you have given to Bollywood, उस हमेशा दमदार रहे हैं. मैं जानबूझ के दम वर्ड यूज़ कर रहा हूँ. तो इस फिल्म में आपके गानों की और जो सिचुएशन के हिसाब से, what is your comments on the songs for this particular movie?
Just like any other love story, in any other love story, there are, 4 or 5 songs in this, love songs in this movie. But my favorite one is a song which speaks about life itself. Because love is nothing but a part of life. It's only one factor of life. So it comes in the titles, sung by Maithili Thakur. So it's my all-time favorite song. And Neeraj ji used to joke on me, sir, you are doing nothing but singing the song. Just please forget the song and just aage chalo. Let's do work. So I am very happy for doing this song, and I can't wait for the release of that particular song.